Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link card on PayPal. If you want to link a credit or a debit card on your PayPal account, then the process is quite easy. First, open your PayPal application or log into your paypal.com website. After you're inside the main homepage, tap on the wallet button at the bottom right hand corner. It'll then take you to the wallet tab. Here, right next to the cards option, tap the plus icon and then select debit and credit cards option at the bottom. Now, enter your debit or credit card number in the text box. After entering your card number available right on your card, you can tap the next button. You can also use the scan your card option and scan your card using your phone's camera. After typing in your card number, tap next. Now enter your expiration date for the card, the CSC code or the CVV code on the next field, and tap on link card at the bottom in order to link your credit or debit card on PayPal. Soon after you do that, once your credit card or debit card is valid, you'll be able to link it on PayPal. Once you set up a card, the card will be your default payment source from where you can make payments through PayPal. That is how you can easily link a card on PayPal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more tutorials like this. Goodbye till then.